If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Um, I would love to have you a part of the channel. Also, please click the post notification bell. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. For the current subscribers, welcome back. I'm sorry I've been away for so long. I've been sick, taking this new medicine, and my body is trying to adjust to it. I've been nauseated, barely eating. So obviously I have not been cooking at all. So I apologize. But tonight I am going to make a quesadilla with some taco meat that I have. It does have like some rotel tomatoes in it. And I'm going to add some jalapeños in it just for a little extra spice. I'm going to just spray my pan with some canola oil. I want to make sure it's okay before I turn it on. So, I had to go get the big pan because this tortilla is a pretty good size. And then I'm gonna fill pretty much like all of this meat. Let me see. And then I'll just spread it out. I'm probably just gonna let the video play because this shouldn't take that long at all. I thought about doing like a steak quesadilla, but I hadn't taken out any meat for the steaks. I already had this in the fridge, and I was like, this will be something really quick. Plus I hadn't eaten tonight, so this will be my dinner. I'm not gonna put too many jalapenos in it, but I am gonna put some because I like, you know, a little added spice. A little added spice. Ooh, that was a big one. So how y'all been doing? Hopefully you are doing well. I do plan to try to do a video tomorrow. Probably gonna make like a shepherd's pie. I already have the ingredients. I'm gonna take out the meat before I go to bed. That way when I wake up, it is already unthawed and we'll be good to go. Hi. Okay. So now, I'm just gonna add a generous amount of cheese. This is just some taco style cheese. I am gonna add a little bit, y'all, a little bit more. Oops. Okay. I think that should probably be good. Now I'm just gonna put some egg on the edges. So when I get ready to put the other one down, it'll be good to go. Okay. Okay. So yeah. You know what? Let me get a plate and then I'll be right back. I wasn't going to stop it, but I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I had to go get a plate so I can turn this thing. So let's see. So I'm going to do it like this. And then, ooh, plate kind of hot. All right. So, I'm going to let it cook on that side. Probably for like maybe like I don't know. I'm gonna check it in like 4 minutes or so. I did on the edges, I put some egg. I probably ain't have to put no egg because the cheese is probably gonna hold it like together or whatnot. But I think it should be fine. So I'm just gonna let it cook on that side. I would have put canola oil in it, but these are some really big tortillas, so I didn't want to put no oil in it, you know, because you know, tablespoon like 140 calories. I didn't want to do that, so I just used like canola spray and I sprayed the tortilla, so that's pretty good. And then I got ground beef and it's got rotel tomatoes. It's got plenty of cheese on it. I'm gonna use like some sour cream with some salsa. It does also have jalapeños in it. So this is definitely gonna be my dinner. Let me see. Yeah, I think it. But I think the other side might get maybe just a little bit browner. And then it should be good, you guys. It should be good. Yeah. So I already turned the eye off, as you can see what it looks like. I just wanted it to get brown, a little bit more brown on the other side. And then I'm just gonna put it on here. And then this I'm gonna obviously dump out this egg, which I probably really didn't need. You probably could put egg on the side if you're gonna make like a half of a quesadilla. But I haven't eaten all day, so this is pretty much like the only thing I've eaten all day. So this will be pretty much it for me. So I ain't even gonna lie, I'm about to eat this whole quesadilla, okay? But yeah. So let's see what this other side looking like. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna cut it with you know, like with a pizza cutter or whatnot. So this is the end result. I just wanted to bring y'all video. I am gonna do a cooking video tomorrow. I hope you like this video. If so, leave your girl a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Please leave me a comment, you guys. That will help my channel grow. And it'll help the algorithm. And then also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I really hope you like this video. And until the next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.